So I wanted to show you the products that I use on my locks. So a lot of people, they're thinking of getting locks, or they have locks, they're not really sure what to use on their hair. So I'll show you the products that I have that I use consistently on my hair. I think I have a solid routine now, and I'm not really experimenting with products as much as I was before, except this DP Hue, which I have a review for now of how I liked it. But other than that, I have a staple routine, and yeah, let me show you what I use. So first, for washing, I use Sacred's Detoxifying shampoo. Now before, I was using their clarifying shampoo, which I like that one too, but I like the tingly feeling this one gives me, and it just feels more clean with this one too. And I think it gets deeper into the locks when I clean it that way with this too. This one is more of a chemical cleaner, and the clarifying shampoo is more of a physical cleaner. It has beads that scrubs your scalp, which feels good too. But I think this one is better for locks because it gets deeper into the hair and it gives you that tingly feeling, and it just makes your locks feel extra clean. So I think this one is better for locks. The clarifying shampoo is good for locks too, but I like this one better. And then after that, I follow up with Sacred's Hydrating shampoo. Now this shampoo is so hydrating that you could get away with not using conditioner after using this. So I usually wash once with the Detoxifying shampoo, and then wash once with the Hydrating shampoo. So I only wash once with each one. And then I use the Sacred's conditioner. I don't know if I will continue using this since I'm using the DP Hue color conditioner, because this is a conditioner too, so I don't want to over condition my hair. So I do like this product. You only leave it in for like 1 minute, but I don't know, it might not be necessary because I already used the color conditioner. And then I also use, well, let me talk a little bit about DP Hue. So I use this to refresh my color. I just tried this not too long ago actually. Before I was using Cara color, but it wasn't as pigmented, and I had to mix copper and auburn. But I figured if I use this one, this is more pigmented, I would only have to use the auburn, so it would be bright enough. And I actually really like it. So this will be a staple. I'll probably use this as my conditioner instead of the Sacred conditioner, just so I don't over condition my hair. And then I also have the Fermented Rice and Rose Protein Ritual. Rice and Rose Protein Ritual. So this is also from Sacred. Now, I had a problem with my locks breaking off, which is normal when you have colored locks. I've talked about this in the previous video. And so using this, it's been making my locks a lot more strong and a lot less fragile. I still have some weak pieces, but none of them, I haven't had any major pieces coming off like I was before when I was getting my hair colored. And so basically you use this powder, and you put it into this bottle, and you fill this bottle up with warm water, and then you shake it. And then there's a top, so it has this top on it for when you shake it. And then I don't have I don't think I have the other top with me, but there's another top that helps you pour it onto your hair, so it's not all coming out of this big opening, it's smaller opening. So yeah, you just slowly put it on your hair, and I think you leave it on for about 5 minutes. And that's the first step. There's 2 steps to this ritual. So that's the first step. That's the protein treatment. So this can make your hair feel a little dry. So that's why I got this conditioner in the first place, because I usually use this after the hydrating shampoo. But I think I would be fine using this. But anyhow, the second step is this, what is it called? The silk rinse. So you put the silk rinse in after you do the protein ritual. So you use this to put some more moisture back in your hair. Now, sometimes I feel like this isn't enough for my locks because I have so much hair. But I try to be I guess, cautious of how much I'm putting in each section so I can get it throughout my hair, but it does work fine. I just wish it was a little more in the packet since I have a lot of hair with locks. But yeah, this helps put moisture back in your hair. And then you can use it with, you can use a conditioner after you do this too, and that'll help too. But you have to use conditioner after the ritual because it can make your hair feel a little drier than it usually does. So you don't want your hair to be brittle. So another thing I use is this blue tansy treatment from Adwoa Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's a brand in Sephora, and I've been using this brand for a while. But I love this oil. You can use it as a hot oil treatment or just to oil your scalp and oil your hair. I love the smell of it. I love how it feels. It makes your hair feel, it just locks in the moisture and it makes your hair feel really good and shiny. But yeah, so I use this oil after washes and when I refresh my hair. And then also I use this Melonberry leave-in conditioner, and I'm almost out of it, as you can see, but I use this after every wash, and sometimes I use it for a refresh too. And then when I do styles like curls or a twist out or a braid out, I use this Locs mousse, if that's how you say it, but I use this mousse for my hair, and it's a pretty good hold. These curls, I use this mousse for it too, so it's a pretty good hold, and it's one of my favorite mousse that I've used. And then I'll be right back. I have one more product to show you, and yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so the last product I'm going to show you is this rose water and glycerin. So I use this to refresh my hair quite a bit. I use this daily. So instead of using the leave-in conditioner and oil all the time, I use this to refresh my hair. I do use these to refresh my hair sometimes, but not like every single day. This I use every single day. So I usually spray it in the morning and at night to refresh my hair to keep the moisture in, because if you don't keep moisture in your locks can break off. So that's another reason why I use it, because I don't want my locks to break off again. So yeah, this is the last product. Hey guys, so I'm shooting this on my phone, but I forgot to show you a product. I also use the Fenty hold gel. I also have the edge control, but I've been using this a lot more, the Fenty edge control gel. I use this mostly for retwist and to like slick my hair down, like no retwist day like today. So yeah, this is a good product too. I love it for a retwist. It has a nice hold. If you want more hold, you can use the edge control gel that has more hold, but I usually use this for slicking down hairstyles and for a retwist. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and show you that because I forgot. But yeah, so those are all the products I use for my locks. I probably use more than most. Some people like to be very minimal with what they use, which is fine. But I just want to take care of my locks the best I can. I like using the, I guess, luxury type items for my hair because I want my hair to thrive. I want it to keep growing. I want it to I just want to take care of my hair. So yeah, those are the products I use, and I will link where I got them from below. And if you've got this far in the video, you can like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.